Alright, this is a fantastic raw ice cream recipe. I got the recipe from blenditandmendit.com. It's a chocolate cherry recipe, but I have adapted it slightly from Jane's recipe on that website. So let's get into it. It's really simple and really quick. We've got 1 cup of frozen banana. That's about 1.5 average sized bananas that I froze. We've got 1 cup of frozen cherries. These are just cherries that I got fresh and I pitted them and froze them on a tray in the freezer. We have half a cup of dates that have been soaked in coconut water. They've gone all squishy and jammy, and then I put them in the freezer for, I don't know, about 2 hours or so to just get them really icy cold. What we're going to do to start off is just get the fruit going a little bit. We use our tamper, okay, and we're just going to start it off low just to chop it up. Then we'll put in some raw cacao and the sweetener, our dates. Here we go. Okay, that's good. Alright, so that's what we want. I like to eat this with a bit of coconut sprinkled on top. It tastes like cherry ripe. Okay. Okay, so there goes our dates. And we'll also do 1/4 cup of raw cacao powder for this recipe. This is a really strong tasting chocolate, so you don't want to put in a great deal of it. So 1/4 cup is definitely enough. The Optimum 9200 really blends this up well. It comes out with a real soft serve consistency, which is fantastic. Alright, so we'll put the lid back on firmly. Put the tamper in, just move that around. Pop it on high and get ready. Scrape off that bit and I'll just do one more little bit. Done. Oh, it's beautiful. Truly, this is just some of the nicest tasting stuff I've had in ages. So you can see there, it's frozen solid. It's fantastic. Look at the consistency. It's delicious. Alright, you can see that? Okay, let's put it into a bowl. As I said, it tastes just like cherry ripe. It's fantastic. And I guess because it is all whole foods and it really is nourishing your body, as opposed to just feeding it trans fats and refined sugars and so on, you really feel satisfied when you've finished it. I had, this recipe will make you enough for at least 2 people. And by the end of it, you really are done. That's it. Fantastic. Alright. Put some coconut sprinkled on top. And that is it. Fun in a bowl. So, the Optimum 9200, making a beautiful, beautiful chocolate cherry, banana, date, coconut ice cream. Try it out, you won't be disappointed.